Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my hunting pistol. Here it is. It's one of those, I don't know if it's the right term, but one of those break action pistol. Yeah, I saw it in Last of Us, so I thought it was pretty cool. So this is what I came up with. So guys, and please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing. So first, you need a sheet of paper, like an A4 paper like this, or it could be quarter size paper as well, of course, what I like to use. And you want to fold it in half, like so, right? Okay. Then you want to unfold that. Then you want to bring these two edges right here to that center line right there, okay? Okay, and now you're gonna fold one of the corners right here, top. You're gonna pre-crease it and you're gonna like fold it inside. So bring this edge right here to the center line, okay? And make a crease right there. And now you wanna open that up, and you see that crease? You wanna open this up and fold this corner in. So follow the crease line and fold that corner right inside, like so, okay? And now you want to bring this triangle up, okay? Like so. So that's gonna be the hammer, of course. Okay, then you want to fold it in half, so this triangle is on the outside, okay? Like so. So it makes a W right here. Okay, and now we're gonna fold this whole back side down. So lean against this edge right there and fold this whole thing down. Okay. Make sure everything is lined up. Okay. And now you want to look right here and kind of fold this point out, okay, to make the hammer. Doesn't have to be exact, but just around there, okay? Okay, now you see this top edge right here? You want to fold this down, okay, in third. So this column right here should equal the same width as the bottom column right there, okay? Doesn't have to be exact, but just eyeball it. Oop. The paper kind of shifted. Let me try to hold on to all the papers and yeah, fold that in thirds. Okay, and now you see this corner, so flip it over to the back side and you see that corner, fold that corner right up like that, and depending on how long you want the handguard to be, just around there would be fine. Okay, so fold that triangle up, and then you want to fold this down and zigzag fold it back up like that, and kind of shape out the front side as you like. Okay. And then you're going to zigzag fold right around here, like give a little bit of space right there. There's a helicopter or something flying by. It's making a lot of noise. I'm not sure if you're gonna catch that on camera. Yeah, really annoying. So yeah, zigzag fold right around here. So fold this back, fold it back forward, fold that down. Yep, and fold a little bit of that edge in the back, and fold just a little bit of that corner to make the beaver tail. Okay, and fold a little bit of the front edge as well, and fold a little bit of that corner out, just like that, to decorate the grip. Yep, and you can open this, but it will fold the front portion of the gun, so I don't know. So you can tilt it down, fold that down for loading, and open it back up like that. Oh yeah, and the hammer. Just fold the hammer in half as well. Yep, and here it is. This is my hunting pistol. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.